It is not a scooter, it is not a motorcycle, and it shows definitely a very future-oriented design. We call it our concept link. It's meant as the English link. It connects human to machine, machine to another machine, and even cloth to the machine.
The packaging of the batteries and the electric engines enables us to make a very new design. The proportion is very new, the design is very new. You don't find a typical gesture on what forms dynamic on a normal motorbike, like these dropping lines and stuff. The vehicle has a very own kind of dynamic.
We would like to show you something that fits so well to Bella Italia, the home of the motociclette.
Ladies and gentlemen, the BMW Concept Link, designed for the urban environment. Of course it's electric, of course it's intelligent, of course it's connected.
The packaging of the vehicle goes around the electronic infrastructure. So the battery goes into a very low position. It is used as sort of a footrest. Electric drive has to be close to the rear wheel. So this is what we do here. So electric mobility gives you the opportunity of being very fast and agile, which matches perfectly to urban conditions.
Surprise. Listen to the silence, ladies and gentlemen. Fabulous looking bike.
I think 100 years is a very far time frame. I could imagine flying bikes even earlier than that, but at the same time I think that people will still also have bikes that have two wheels and that ride on roads or on the dirt, because that's something that emotionally is so connecting you and the environment. It won't go away, definitely not.
called it the Novecento because the idea was to drive from Munich down to Como on a bike like this, where you need Autobahn, you need wind and weather protection, you want to go very small alpine roads, and you also want to go to the Como with a very small Italian roadside.
For the dynamics, you need low weight and enough power, but not necessarily a racing bike.
We wanted to combine the functionality, what you need to have, elevated to a new level of emotion. This is the world premiere. You guys are the first to see the concept Novecento. Please welcome Andy Martin.
The front seat is good for single touring, and if you want to have a pillion rider, you add the pannier system.
The luggage system, which is very innovative, can be hooked on and hooked off by the means of an electric magnet. Especially on the side frame and the rear frame, we are using carbon fiber. Carbon fiber for the benefit of low weight, and also if you look at it, it looks very nice.